In primetime news this evening, not enough power. FSC says it is constrained by confidentiality agreements that exists in the financial sector. Scores of motorists converge on the courts as deadline for new Road Traffic Act approaches. And former police commissioner Lucius Thomas is dead.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
It's a Wednesday, Janella, and it's all about those red arrows. Gas prices are going up tomorrow, and I'll tell you by how much in the business day.
And standing by with sports, we have Jordan.
Well, Gio, I'll tell you about the record number of awards to be handed out at the R.J. Argelino Sports Foundation National Awards on Friday, and about the football stakeholder who is warning parish presidents against the practice of accepting handouts.
And look who's here. Romain is here to tell us about what's coming up in weather. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. We do have increased high pressure across the region, so we're expecting to see stronger winds across the Jamaica area over the next few days.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and, well, in this newscast, but before the break, our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how satisfied are you with the authorities' oversight of the financial sector?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.